Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all of my videos. Today, I was going to do one video, then another, then I wasn't feeling it, and I was like, you know what? We need to do another balling on a budget-esque type of video since I have been doing more high-end videos. I've been doing a lot of tutorials using the Jackie AINA palette by ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. So if you want to check that out, definitely I'll link those down below for you guys, but wanted to mix it up. I wanted to save some money now. So today I wanted to do a makeup tutorial worth $50. $50 challenge a makeup tutorial, and I've been going through my makeup stash and trying to find a full face of makeup up to $50. A long time ago I did 25. That one's tricky, but we did it. And now I just kind of want to, extend the budget a little bit more, but still save money. So if you guys want to see how I get a makeup look, spending no more than $50 for all of the makeup, then just keep on watching. All right, so we're going to mix it up a bit, and we're actually just going to start with the face of the base here. And I made a couple of decisions here. We've got $50, and it was honestly like, what products do I feel like I need to really elevate this look, and what products can I skip? And the first product that I can skip, which for some people is gonna be like, oh my god, but I think we totally can, is face primer. I feel like for me, I need to hydrate my face, plump it up with my skincare routine, and with that, I can skip my face primer, which I've accidentally done a lot of times, and we've been okay. So because of that, I have very dry skin, so I'm really going to use a foundation that's gonna work really well for me. So I'm gonna go with my dewiest and one of my most affordable foundations. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation, and this is so dewy and hydrating for my dry skin. So it's going to help offset the fact that I do not have a face primer. And honestly, let me know if it happens to you too, but there's a lot of times when I'm in a rush or I'm really excited to do my makeup and I'm like, oh crap, I forgot a face primer and I'm already too far into it. We already got the foundation, the eyes are going, we can't go back. So we're just gonna do just that. And I feel like for years I never really used a face primer. It does make a nice little difference, but I feel like there's some other things here that I'd rather spend my money on that'll really make this look more expensive and really just make it look like you spent more than $50. So I feel like a primer I'm going to skip. It was a difficult decision. Honestly, it was between two products. It was, do I skip? Do I omit the face primer? Or do I omit the face highlight? And honestly, I feel like this is just my decision. I think for me, I can skip the primer, and I think the highlight is just going to bring this look out even more because I am also skipping a blush. I think for me, especially depending on the look, I can totally just do bronzer, and I think blush is definitely just like a nice little thing to add. I feel like for me personally, I'm not a blush queen. Blush is like whatever to me. If I find one good blush, I'm fine with it forever, as you've seen here on my channel. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna skip blush. I was like, I can't skip highlight too. I mean, you could have like a nice little matte look going, which in that case, then I probably would have, but I think for me, I'm gonna go with the glow for all around the face to really have me look more expansive. Maybelline, it's about anywhere from $4, I would say average maybe $5.50, no more than $6 depending where you're buying at. But of course, all these products, if you can pick them up at Walmart, do it and save even more money and maybe even add other products. But look how glowy we look already. I already did my brows, so for those of you who want a couple of options, what I had with me is definitely one of my cheapest, but there's an even cheaper option. I went in with the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. This is $6. My other option, if you want to save another dollar that I love, is the Wet n Wild, their brow pencil. I forget what you call it. It's like the definer one. I'll link it down below as an alternative option to save for some money, but that's only $5, and I love that for like a nice, quick, easy brow. But LA Girl, $6, use it. Also, I really wanted to use products that I love and will use. I didn't want to just buy a $1 concealer just because it was $1 and it looks like crap. I wanted to use products that are gonna look good, worth your money, and so worth the $50 that you're gonna go through them so quickly, but you're not gonna need a lot of products. The next product is a Colourpop concealer. This is their no filter concealer. I think this is one of my most favorite affordable concealers, and I have some other ones, but I feel like concealers are definitely, they're getting better, but they are getting more expensive, and I feel like Colourpop is definitely, you know, keeping it on par with affordable prices. And they are now available. You can get your concealers at Ulta stores now. So they have the displays. You can swatch. You don't have to, if you just want a concealer, you can just pick that up instead of, you know, trying to make the minimum online. But I love this concealer. I've definitely tried some other concealers that were cheaper. Ooh, my other option. They're the same price though. Ooh, I could have saved 50 cents though. I didn't think about it. My e.l.f. concealer. I almost forgot about it. The full coverage one. Could have saved 50 cents. Don't worry. We still even like saved $1 with this whole face look. This is $49 with all the products. But the e.l.f. concealer, how did I forget? I love that one too, but no worries. I have not used my Colourpop one here on camera. So we've got options. If, say, you don't have an Ulta near you, but you have a Target near you, maybe even a Walgreens, a drugstore, you can find the e.l.f. concealers as well, which are $6. And those are amazing. I would say the coverage is pretty spot on for both of these. Are nice, like medium coverage concealers. I would say the e.l.f. one is definitely maybe a little bit more coverage, maybe a little bit more mattes too. I love them both. We want to save 50 cents. We've got the e.l.f. Maybe when we do another $50 makeup challenge, like this video, if you want to see yet another one, because we've got some other options, some other things. I feel like for this look, this is a great quick go-to look. But I'm going to show you how we're going to make it look a little bit more expensive, a little bit fancier, and why I made the choices that I did. For me, the focus that I would rather spend my money on and to really make this stand out is going to be the lips. So we're really not going to do much with the eyes. But if you want to see another look where I spend more maybe like on the eyes, let me know. Like this video, comment down below. $5. We're going to use this face palette by Wet n Wild. This is their contouring palette. This is their shade. What shade are you? I don't know. Oh, this is the shade Dulce de Leche. So this is nice for if you're near my skin tone. And then they have another one that's a little bit, wee bit deeper. But as you can see, this is so worth the money. One of my favorites. You get a 2-in-1. So I saved the money there. And honestly, like, this must be like my 4th set of these because I love these so much. It's not that they, you know, the product wastes quickly. It's just that I use it that much. That's how much I love it that I go through it like that. So I'm just setting around my eyes. And so I'm not going to do much with the eyes because like I said, the focus is going to be the lips. So we're going to actually use this for yet another purpose. And I'm going to go in just with the bronze side. And we're just going to go ahead and add some dimension around my eyes. And I feel like for me, out of laziness, and just because I really love to play up lips a lot, I'd rather exaggerate the lips, have the focus be there. I just minimal. I go in with my Milani Most Love Mattes palette in a shade basically similar to like a bronzer shade. And I'll just go in and add dimension. Sometimes I'll go in with a little bit of this and just, you know, add it on the lid a little bit. And that's pretty much it. And I do my lips. And I'll show you what else is going to make this look a little bit fancier. And people are not going to know you are on a budget. Unless you want to brag about it. I love saying, like, every time it's like, oh my God, I love that shirt. Oh my God, I love that lipstick. I love this. I'll be like, Marshall's, TJ Maxx. Yes, yes, yes. Balling on a budget. Because I love, like, an awesome product. But I love when I got a great deal on it. Like, who else? Deals and steals. Come on. And then you can get even more awesome products. So I'm just going in and we're just honestly just adding this. Just create dimension. You can totally skip it, but I think it just adds a little something. And if you've already spent your money on it, might as well get your money's worth, right? All right, just add a little dimension to the eyes. And now what we're going to do here was where I could have, you know, maybe put some money, move the budget towards a blush and a primer. But I feel like a lipstick, a liner, and lashes, I think that's just a classic look. So I'm going in with my NYX matte liquid liner, and we're going to do a wing. I totally could have been like, all right, maybe skip the wing, skip the liner, but for me personally, I feel like that just completes my look. So I'm gonna go in with a wing, and it just adds a little extra dimension to your look. The fiercer the wing, the better do you. Now I was like totally going to do a lashes instead of mascara. I feel like I totally could have maybe skipped lashes. I feel like if you have really long lashes, I think just a good mascara, save it on the liner, put that towards something else. But I don't have really good lashes, so I just feel like lashes, fake lashes in general, just amp up a look and make it look a little bit more expensive, make it look a little bit more put together. But with the lashes, while I had really inexpensive ones, the lash glue surprisingly was more expensive than the lashes, but totally worth skipping out another product. So I'm going to go in with my Ardell Wispies, and I'm going to go in with my dual lash glue. I had originally been using just a squeeze one, the black one, but that actually ran out of me, so we want to save more money. I think that's like $1 or $2 cheaper, but they didn't have that one at my local drugstore when I was like looking for glue, and I was like, I need glue now. So I actually tried this one, which has a little wand, and I think they're both good. I would say this one with the wand, it just dries a little bit quicker, which is nice. I feel like I got really used to adding the glue just with like a squeeze tube, so really doesn't matter to me. I feel like same thing maybe, but it dries faster and it sticks on faster, which is nice. So just go in and paint and make sure you get the edges, especially the edges. I feel like everybody's going to be different. Maybe what you might kind of keep within your budget, what you think is worth skipping. Like I said, if you have longer lashes, maybe you just need that mascara product and you save a couple more dollars, you can put that towards your lipstick. I was really trying to scrape off as much as I could and maybe spend a little bit more on my lipstick, but I feel like there's definitely some products here where I was like, I kind of need that. Just makes a difference. I should have done like a no liner at all over here, but already looking a little bit fancier, right? What a difference. If you maybe don't even want to do a full-on wing line, or you don't even like a liner, you can skip that. That was $6. These lashes were about $4, and I believe the lash glue is anywhere like about $7, $6 maybe, depending if you can get it like at Walmart. But say you don't want to do that, just lashes, no a liner, I think you could totally get away with that. Maybe if you wanted to do some demi wispies too. Now to add some structure to my face, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm using a Real Techniques brush to add that on. And I feel like if you have maybe really great cheekbones, you can probably totally skip bronzer and contour. But I feel like in general, it just adds to the look, because even if you have really great bone structure, I feel like when you add the foundation, it kind of like washes you out and you kind of lose that a little bit. So it's just kind of adding that natural coloring and shadows back to your face. So for me personally, I can't. I've started bronzing and contouring, and I can't go back now. Especially for like, I have a round face, so no. And if I can get a contour and highlight palette for $5, hell yeah. That for me is a must. I will skip a blush any day, maybe skip a highlight, but bronzer, nope. Comment down below if you can skip bronzer. Some people would rather do blush, but no. I am team bronzer contour. Sometimes I'll like bring it up a little bit where I would maybe normally have my blush, just to add the coloring there. To clean up the contour, just going into the palette with my sponja, my sponge, and we're just gonna clean up the contour. We are indeed skipping the blush, but I wanted some highlights, so I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Precious Petals Mega Glow Highlighter. And this one is only $5. Wet n Wild is where it's at if you wanna save some money. For me, I feel complete with my highlight. I feel like to me, highlight just adds a little something more personally than blush can. And then even if you wanted to, so I can just do this in my inner corner, or if I really wanted to, this could have even been my lid shade, but I prefer for my inner corner because I'm not doing too much with my lids because we're going to do a colorful lip. I'm gonna go and clean up contour, Now, my favorite part is going to be the lipstick. I want an affordable lipstick that's going to have a pop of color, that's going to be a great, comfortable formula on my lips. And the one that I chose, which is only $4, is the e.l.f. Their creamy matte lipsticks. They have so many different colors. I figured let's do fall vibes and mix it up. I always use the deep burgundy shade. I freaking love it. I'll link down below my lip swatch video of these, but I thought I'd mix it up, go a little bit deeper, and I'm going to go in with Berry Bordeaux. And this is why I skipped on blush. I skipped on primer because for me, I feel like lipstick, liner, and lashes really just completes a look, bring it together, mix up the lipstick color, save on other certain products. Maybe I would rather spend a little bit more on my lipstick of all things, which I still didn't. I only spent $4, but maybe I didn't have to do the lash glue and lashes, but I feel like this with the lips just brings it together for me personally. I am going to always choose my lipstick. I feel like that is what really helps complete a makeup look, and I feel like lipstick, lashes, a nice contour just kind of brings it all together. So this is my simple but kind of amped up look for under $50 because I spent about $49. Probably could have saved even more money if I would have, like, you know, packaged and bundled everything together. So this is definitely $50 or less a makeup look. My rendition of it. If you guys want to see a $50 challenge makeup look where I focus a little bit more on the eyes, I can maneuver around my budget a little bit more. Let me know if you want to see that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what lipstick, what pop of color lipstick, affordable lipstick is your favorite that maybe you would have chosen, and or if maybe you're more of a colorful eye look type of girl and just, you know, not so much on the lips, let me know as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check the description box down below for links for all the products as well as the prices. It's going to be a range. I feel like depending where you buy it, always go somewhere like Walmart so you can get the most bang for your buck. Let me know if you guys want to see some more of these videos, and I'll see you guys next time.